Hey everybody, it's JT here and welcome back to another marketing video. Today we're going over a platform called Diib or Diib. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Diib.com. There will be a link in the description where you can get a 3-day free trial. However, I've never tried this website, so I might not even recommend them by the end of this video. Basically, the context behind this is I saw an ad on Facebook where these guys said that all you have to do is plug in your Google Analytics and they will find actionable insights for your website that will increase growth and revenue and all those things. So hopefully that's true. We will see what kind of results we get by plugging in. So I thought we could just go through it together. I'll give you my reactions and my recommendations. As always, whenever I go over a new platform, I like to talk immediately about the pricing. And so the pricing here is, there is a free version, which includes limited growth plans, website monitoring, weekly emails, health scores, and benchmarking. I believe that they will probably, this limited growth plan is really limited, and all of their like intelligence and stuff will probably be hidden behind the pro subscription. But I believe there is a 3-day free trial, so we'll probably sign up to that to see if it's worthwhile. Now, it says $9 a month to $29.99 a month, depending on your website traffic. We are going to test out my website, earnthatbuck.com. If you want to know more about that website, it's a site that I acquired off of Flippa as an investment, and I just did a video talking about how that's going, and I'll continue to put out more updates in the future. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill out this form, and then I'll get back to you and let you know what's going on. Okay, so I got this button that says import from Google Analytics. Let's see what happens when I click that. Okay, so now it's matching to the website that I want here. And click continue, see what happens with that. And we're starting to get some insights immediately here. SSL certificate valid, yes, of course. Mobile speed good. Domain authority, wow, thanks guys. Yeah, I have no domain authority. You can sync with your Facebook, your Google My Business. Number of keywords, 3562. Sitemap detected. Objectives, alerts, we found 10 potentially bad backlinks pointing to your website. Okay, let's see what we can do here to disavow these backlinks. Okay, this is where it gives me the wall. So we're gonna go ahead and start my free trial, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I just signed up for the 3-day free trial. Again, available in the description. Fix now. Let's see what those backlinks are. It says, let's fix this. Investigate these backlinks. And inbound links from 192.168ii-admin.com. Okay, 155 point that. Wow, okay, so these do look like they're pretty scammy backlinks. So it gives me a checklist of how I can complete this task. So that's pretty straightforward. Out of the 3,848 total backlinks, you only have 528 linking to your website. Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with that, whatever. Basically, when you buy a website for an investment, you can add a bunch of content if you want. Personally, I'm not that interested in adding a bunch of content. So to get high quality backlinks would be difficult for me because I'm not going to make any new like data rich content on this website. And so I'm not going to make any content that I can then share to like a news site or someone who would have a high quality backlink potential. This isn't really something that I'm going to be interested in using. But if you're building a business, building a website, and writing a bunch of content, maybe this is something that would be useful for you. Here's another interesting tool. It says make sure your backlinks are linking to the correct pages. For me, that would be all of these links here are being backlinked somewhere, and these pages have since been moved, and I haven't 301 redirected them. So now I'm going to go onto my website and 301 redirect these pages into the correct page or a similar page that people might find interesting. I just read what this alert thing says here, and it seems actually really useful if you are someone who has a lot of content or has a website, but you're not an SEO expert in any way, and you want to have some sort of human interaction with it. This website will give you a lot of tools and stuff that will help you get to the right place in SEO, but also you can talk to a free meeting with a human growth expert. If you're an SEO beginner, it can't hurt to try that out. See what they can do to help you get your page ranking better. overall, I think the two most useful things for my current website would be these two links right here that says we have 10 potentially bad backlinks pointing to your website. Let's consider disavowing them. And then also 10 of your backlinks aren't linking to the correct pages. And so I'm gonna find those pages and 301 redirect them to my website. So these tips can improve my SEO quite a bit. I think this site is actually better for someone who's new to SEO because it lays out all of these tips, which are actually really useful for people who don't really know, how to optimize these things immediately. I know how to optimize a lot of these things already, and I've already been doing a lot of it. So those things aren't that actionable or exciting to me. And also, like this tip, your Moz domain authority is 22. In order to get my domain authority up, I would need to invest a lot of time and effort into making new content, which I'm not really interested in doing this for this website. So hopefully this all makes sense. Overall, I would say give it a 3-day trial, see what happens, see if you get some good tips out of it and some good insight, especially if you have multiple websites that you want to check out and use. For me, I'm probably going to cancel my 3-day trial because I got these 2 tips and now I'm ready to just go back to passive mode on this website. If you enjoyed this video, you want more honest opinions, honest feedback on some of these platforms, let me know in the description and I will definitely do that. If there's a specific platform you want me to check out, put that in the description as well and I'll take a look into it. Thank you for watching and I will see you next video.